Hey guys, it's Brad here. I'm one of the owners with Agawa Gear, and I wanted to show you our folding bow saw. This is our 21-inch model. Folds out, no loose parts, no fasteners, works on a cam system. That gives your blade a nice tension. Specifically made for canoeing and camp trips. Packs down just as easy. We made it perfect size to fit in your barrel or your backpack. It goes away and it's ready to go when you need it. Our blades are a push and a pull style. This one specifically has our Sydney Rancher blade on it. So it's a very aggressive tooth pattern. It gets really good traction in like hardwoods and drywood. So you're gonna find, compared to a traditional bow saw blade, this will work a lot faster for you.